Okay, we're being brave here. We're going to rescue this bird who is obviously been stupid. We have our crew who has no eye cover.
Let go. Ow.
The bird is biting Joe's hand. The bird does not want to be taken. He does not want to let go.
Well,
This is the crew. Here's Spencer, the crew. And the bird is not liking it. I cannot believe this is a stupid bird. He's gonna bite him. Oh, he got him. I've seen this on TV when they were doing eagles that got stuck together by their talons.
I'm gonna get out of here.
come here, Spencer. Come here.
What?
Gently take this.
You guys are like right behind the tree. I can't see anything. There's no action shots here.
Right behind the scissors. I mean,
Right behind the scissors.
okay. No, don't pull. Don't pull. You're gonna hurt it. Okay, see if you can pull that up. Gently get that off of the.
It's really hard to see. If you got closer, I could get a better action shot here. So we can actually see the bird attack the camera.
Okay.
Ew, look at his eye. It's creepy.
This is one of the ones, Spencer, you were talking about with the. Don't get under the skin.
Don't cut his leg off.
That's not funny. Spencer, what are you doing? Get under, take the point, gently get under the string. Gently get under the
I'm
string.
trying.
Okay, see this? See that piece right there? Hold on, stop.
This is going
see
on.
that piece right there?
This one?
Yeah, just, there you go.
This is going on a 2-minute bird rescue.
Just,
He's liking it.
you can just untie the string.
Yeah, you don't do scissors.
Just undo the string. You can take your gloves off. Just wash your hands.
Yeah, we're gonna just like sacrifice the child to save the bird. Good plan.
There we go.
Oh, uh-oh.
All right. Ready?
Oh, there he went. He says, screw you guys, I'm up in the tree. Clear up there now.
Okay.
Congratulations, men. Good job, Spencer. Do a manly pose. That's it.
Hold on. Get it.
Go Green Granite has rescued a bird. Oh my God.